Welcome, gifted disciples. If X, so one and only EO here. So, recording this on the 8th of April 2026. So, we will be looking at your CAD JPY and what happened from Monday. So, from Monday, we took the buy, the buy over there that I marked on Monday, Tuesday, and it got mitigated and broke a little bit low, so we didn't take that trade. So moving forward onto today and the potential that we could be making on the buy side. So I will be going to my daily and marking out the areas. The areas are very well though, so I'm just going to push my buy side, my sell side zone a little bit neater, and then I'll just place my low side as well, just so that I can have an idea on where the market's going. Then I'll go into our 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we can see that the market has broken that low where we would have initially sold. So what I'll do is mark my fib and then mark the new zone for me to buy in. Yeah, right. So marking on my position that I placed. We can see that market still need to get down to the area that we would be looking to buy into. So going with my daily to have a look on the prices on the left to see um, if that is a valid area to buy into. And looking to the left on previous price, you can see that there has been a buy side wick into a sell side on the area that I marked. So we will be looking into that area for possible buy side. So that trade we will definitely be taking. So I'll just mark alert, and I know when market gets to that zone, I will be ready to execute on that price. So I'll be looking next on to Nasdaq to see our movement on Nasdaq. So I'll just place my buy order over there just so that I can have an idea on when I'm going to buy and where my stop loss and my take profit is going to be. So yeah, let's go on to Nasdaq and let's have a look at Nasdaq and see what Nasdaq has been doing. Alrighty, so looking at Nasdaq, the zone that I placed on Tuesday or Monday totally got broken above. We broke above the zone, so that buy that we initially were anticipating, we missed it because it wicked off just a little bit too soon for market to go straight up. So we won't be looking at that trade as or that position as somewhere we could have executed on. So I'll delete my zones, delete my areas, and mark up the new low. That low at the bottom stays because that is the previous low. So looking up, we broke very well. Nasdaq broke very well above. So what I would be looking at initially is a breakdown into the old structure to look for possible buys again. So what I would do here is I'll get rid of that little area and I would want to place a higher level above where price is currently so that we can potentially look for a sell side to buy. So I'll mark out my areas and then we'll take it from there. Alright, so once we placed our positions, our zones, to say the least, we'll be looking at the market possibly going down off this area over here on top so that we can look for positions for buy side. We are currently bullish in Nasdaq, so we need to look for some sort of sell side so that we can potentially go up. So I will just double check and mark off my area so that I can be sure whether or not we'll be looking at the lower levels for possible buys. And so I'll just mark my alert over there. And I have another thing that I want to show you guys. I took the trade earlier when I will release this video. The position that I've taken has already been made in KJPY. So I'll just add that onto this video and stitch it into here so that y'all can see that my theory works. It works. So I don't have a correct way of saying what style it is. Say in the comments what style it is, and guys, leave a subscribe and tell me what I should do better so I can make it a little bit more understandable for my viewers. So let me show you guys what I mean. Yeah, so that was a trade that I marked off this morning. Uh when I'm posting this is the next day. This trade that I'm showing, but this is the next day. So the setup it went through and we took the trade, and we are currently still in the trade and we took some profit. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.